Hi there and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make Ninja Foodi Ramen, which can also be made gluten-free too. This is a very simple recipe that you can really customize, all done right in your Ninja Foodi. So the first thing we're going to need to do are grab our ingredients. You will need 3 cups of chicken broth, 2 packs of ramen noodles. Discard the seasoning, we're not using it. Or you can use a gluten-free alternative, which I'll link to in the show notes. 2 tablespoons of butter, a teaspoon of olive oil, along with, you will also need 2 to 3 cloves of crushed garlic, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce or gluten-free soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, and 2 teaspoons of everything bagel seasoning. So you can find all of these in your local grocery store or your pantry, either one. And we're going to get started. So you're going to pour the chicken broth into the pot of the Ninja Foodi. And then go ahead and add in the noodles, but do not add in the seasoning because we are not going to use it. So just discard the seasoning. If you are using gluten-free, you would be using the gluten-free noodles that I've posted below, doing the same thing. So you're going to go ahead and cook this on high for 1 minute. That means you're going to use the pressure cooker function and set the nozzle to seal, then high for 1 minute. Once that's up, you're going to quickly release. So you're going to move the nozzle to vent and release all of that steam. Once that's all released, you'll go ahead and remove the pasta or the noodles, and you're going to turn it to the saute function and add in the butter, oil, and garlic. Stir this until the butter is melted, and then you'll add in the soy sauce and brown sugar. You're going to quickly stir it and then close the lid for 1 minute to heat up. So this is going to allow all of these ingredients to heat up into the pot of the Ninja Foodi, and it's going to create your sauce. So that's what we're doing here. Once that's done, you're going to add those noodles right back in, or that ramen back to the pot of the Ninja Foodi, and mix it up with sauce, and then just top it with your everything bagel seasoning, and that's it. It's all ready to go. Other things we like to do is add in cooked chicken. You can add in cooked pork, some veggies, any type of add-in that you would like to have, you can easily add that in here. So this is how you make Ninja Foodi Ramen. Super simple to make for lunch or to add along with dinner. Again, a great one to add in a cooked protein like chicken, tofu, pork, any of those types of things. So you can find this complete recipe for Ninja Foodi Ramen on mommyhatescooking.com. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so that you do not miss the next recipe. Thanks so much for tuning in today.